Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working with embroidery. I'm going to embroider into t-shirts. These are some Christmas shirts. They are going to be picked up tonight, so I had to hurry up. It's going to be my last order of the year for Christmas season and for 2024. After this, it's all party and it's all about Christmas celebration for me. Okay, so I'm going to be using my mighty hoop. It's going to be the 9x8 mighty hoop. I'm going to show you how to use the backing holder to give you a perfect hooping, all right? I'm going to be doing two shirts. There's youth size shirts. One is a large size and the other one is a medium. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it on the first shirt. The second shirt, I'm going to embroider it, but I'm not going to go through the whole process because you already seen it the way I explain it. I'm going to go move into the table so that I can show you how to use the backing holder with your mighty hoop. Okay, so see you in a little bit, guys. We are going to be hooping the shirt using the backing holder. For those who are new, this is the backing holder right here. It's going to help me to hoop the shirt easier without having the stabilizer moving all over the place. So I place the back of the hoop. This hoop is an 8x9 inches mighty hoop. I'm going to position here right here. Okay. Just push it down and it stays, and the stabilizer stays in place. So after you do that, you go ahead and place the hoop inside the shirt, holding it like this. I'm going to place a link down below on the description box so that you can get free shipping on the mighty hoop. So you can buy the mighty hoop and then they'll give you free shipping if you use my code. The code is listed down below, all right, on the description box. That includes any size mighty hoop, all right? Then I make sure that it's straight by looking at the bottom right here. I can see the bottom that is straight, and it's straight right here. And then also on the sides, I make sure that I have the same spacing. And then I'm going to bring the cutout of the design. I use it to make sure that I'm going to have enough space on the sides and on the top when I hook the shirt. I usually mark the spacing between the neck and where I want the design to start. And I just put 3 fingers like this and more or less an idea. They give me an idea. Okay, 3 to 4. This is about 4, and then I can start my design in here. That's what I wanted. Now, I want to make sure that when I do that, you see where the frame of the hoop is too low. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the frame a little bit higher without moving it from position. And then I have plenty of space to start my design. You see I have up to about 2 fingers of spacing, okay, to start my design. And at the bottom, I have plenty of space at the bottom. So this is what I want my design. I have plenty of space. It's clear here. And the next thing that I do is to hook the shirt. And it's done. This is how easy, people. That is why everybody loves the mighty hoops. It makes our lives so simple. Okay, so now what I do usually is I tape my design to trace it on the embroidery machine. I'm going to move the camera to the embroidery machine and then I'll see you over there, okay? I already set up the thread colors. There are about 8 changes of colors. And what else? So the next thing I'm going to do is trace the embroidery file to make sure that I have enough space. Again, I'm using an 8x9. Okay, and I check my bobbin. I should have enough bobbin thread. Okay, so let's go place this in middle one. I'm just going to center the design to the middle of the hoop. This is pretty cool. Wow, I got it right on the first try. Let me go this way. Let me get you closer so you see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is pretty good. Right on the dot of the design in the middle. I'm using the mark from Embroidery. So I always let people know that this is the method that I use. You don't have to use a method. You don't have to print out anything. The machine will give you on the screen the middle of the center of the design. I'm just a visual person. That's why I do it this way, but you don't have to do it this way, okay? That's just me being picky, but you don't have to do it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and trace. And it looks pretty good. I always do it at least twice, and it looks pretty good. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the embroidery process. It's kind of a, I would say, kind of a large file. So I'm gonna go ahead and embroider some sections of it, and then I'm gonna put also some nice background music, okay? So once I am done, I'll see you at the end, all right? So let's get started, people. Let me get you more center so that you can have a better view. All right, guys, so this is done. Guys, look at how pretty, all done. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to the table, trim out the cutaway stabilizer, and apply some cloud cover on the back of the shirt. All right, so see you over there. Let's take off the hoop. I'm gonna be trimming the cutaway stabilizer. Right, so this is done. I just do like this, make sure that the corners are all tucked in and nothing is coming off. So it's perfect. And the shirt came out amazing. Now I'm gonna do the second shirt, which is a size medium. It's a completely different design. But I'm not gonna go through the whole process because all I wanted to show you is how to use the backing holder. So I'm gonna do the second shirt using exactly the same technique with the backing holder. I'm just gonna show you just tiny pieces of the process. It's the same thing, so I'm not gonna repeat the whole thing, and you don't need to see it done twice. So yeah, all right. Let me cut this little tail in here. No jump stitches or anything. Let me get you closer so you have a closer look. Look at how pretty is the design, okay? So I'm gonna see you back on the table once I'm done with the other shirt, and I'll show you both together, all right? So this second one is finished, so I'm gonna meet you at the table. So I have the shirts over here. They both came out amazing. This is the one that I did. The second one that I just showed parts of it. I love this design, the way it came out. This is a Gildan size medium youth. And this is the large youth from Gildan as well. And I love this one. I did this one last year on some Christmas tree ornaments, and this is very nice. Okay, so the customer is gonna pick it up later tonight because I'm leaving tomorrow to Puerto Rico to celebrate my Christmas with my family. We're all gonna get together over there from the States back to Puerto Rico. And I'm going to spend there a whole month. So I'm going to be recording from my craft room in Puerto Rico. So you're going to continue seeing me all that month. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm not going to go anywhere. So anyway, I am happy with the result. If you have any question when it comes to the backing holder or any other item from Mighty Hoops, I have a whole list of video down below that you can watch. And also remember that I have a link where you can order your Mighty Hoops with free shipping. So if you buy Mighty Hoop, go ahead and take this advantage to save on your shipping because the shipping is going to be free. So it's linked down below, right? What else? Guys, I am hoping that you have a beautiful holiday, a nice Christmas day. So yeah, I might do a video for New Year's. I'm not sure yet, depending on how much fun I'm having in Puerto Rico. No, I'm just joking. I'm going to try to upload a video before the New Year's, okay? So I am happy that this is my last orders, that I close my shop when it comes to garments and tumblers and cups. I only left open my digital file part of my shop. So if you want to order some digital file items to make some other gift for your family, go ahead and order some digital file. And I'm talking about SVGs and rhinestones templates, all right? I think this is everything for now. If you're new to my channel and you like this kind of content, you know what I'm going to say. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, The Crafty Puerto Rican, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified of all my future videos. Guys, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, and Próspero Año Nuevo. I see you soon. Bye. Hasta luego.